This is a premium hand heads up, so he is going to raise it. $800,000. It's 4 big blinds. There's no way Greenwood's going to fold. The question is, does he call or does he really make a big play here? Thinking that his opponent is just trying to pick on the first limp of heads up. This is the very first hand of heads up.
Yeah.
He's going to call here.
It's also very annoying when you just started the heads up and you want to get a feel. Like Sam Greenwood likes to play really small pots when he plays heads up, and immediately the first hand gets bumped to 4 big blinds.
Wow, look at this flop. Greenwood flops an open-ended straight draw. Soyza an underpair to 2 cards. It's actually pretty annoying because there's 1.8 million in the middle already. Soyza's gonna check. You can't blame him. This is a pretty tough spot. Greenwood checks it back. It's a turn card. It's an 8. So if you're Soyza here, you gotta feel pretty good that Greenwood checked back. You know, the board pairs makes your 7s more likely to be good. Is it worth betting? The bad news is that a 10 would actually counterfeit your hand.
Yeah, I think he's pretty comfortable because I think there's a big chance Greenwood would have put a small bet out there even when he had an 8, just to not give high cards a free shot at it. I really like this bet from Soyza.
Yeah, you gotta protect your hand, get some value. Greenwood most likely would bet a 10 in position. With 2 8s out there, it makes it unlikely for Greenwood having an 8, so I think it's a safe bet. Greenwood actually has an open and a straight draw, and he's got position.
There's a lot of reasons to assume that his 9 might even be good. I think he's definitely going to assume his jack is good as well.
Yeah, there's no way Greenwood's going anywhere in position. Let's call. See if you hit your hand. Maybe your opponent, maybe you miss, but your opponent checks, so you can bluff at it.
Yeah.
3.2 million. This is the first hand of heads up. River card is a king, so Soyza still has 8s and 7. Greenwood 0% to win unless he bluffs Soyza off of the hand. I'd imagine it's hard to get value of pocket 7s right now after you bet that turn and get called. You'd only be hoping for a 3 to call you. So he's going to check, try to get the showdown. Greenwood jack 9. This pot is so big, he can't just let this go and just check it back. He needs to bet something. Otherwise he's giving up too much.
Yeah, the king is a pretty troublesome card for him though. Like what is he actually betting here? Would he bet a weak 10 for value or?
Yeah. So the thing is, I think the most likely hand he can represent is an 8. It's hard to represent because there's 2 8s out there already. Wow, he shoves all in.
Okay, yeah, that's
How much is it?
That's a sick move.
3. This is the very first hand of heads up. Greenwood is representing an 8 and only an 8 right now.
Yeah, that's a good point. Because of the bet sizing, it's an 8 or nothing.
Yeah, it is very credible though, because you check back the flop. A lot of players like to check back middle pair. Michael Soyza only beats a bluff. So you're Soyza here. You got to think about all of the combos you beat. You beat diamonds, they're missed. You beat Jack 9, you beat Queen Jack.
Yeah, he blocks 9-7. That's one of the problems.
We've seen Soyza make a big hero call against Ivan, and it was correct earlier. Can he make one more hero call? 7 million chips in the middle.
If he calls, it's all over immediately.
This is also a shot clock tournament, which is against Soyza right now. He only has a few time bank chips left. He's already burned one on this hand. Soyza is really thinking about it. He knows you got an 8 or you don't.
Gotta respect this bluff here by Sam Greenwood.
Soyza's an excellent.
He
makes the call.
He does it.
You got it.
Amazing.
What a call.
Pocket sevens is good. Michael Soyza is the champion. That was a $400,000 heads-up match in one hand.
Wow, what a call.
Attention please. Wanna save 300 euros only until the end of this month? Poker Room is ready to pay for you. Academy of Poker course includes group training, 3 personal lessons from professional poker coach, personal manager and bonus up to 30 euros from Poker Room. Hurry up! The offer extends soon. A link to sign up is in the description under this video.